am obsessed with the Built Puff Bars. I am a little late to trying them, and I follow a few people on Instagram that love them, and I can totally see why. I have only tried the Brownie Batter, which is my favorite so far, the coconut, and the cookie dough. The chocolate on the outside is absolutely amazing. The best way that I can describe them is they're a twist on a protein bar with a marshmallow-like texture, and they're coated in a rich chocolate. They're perfect since I don't like the traditional thick and chewy protein bar. They have 17 grams of protein and only 140 to 150 calories per bar, which I think is absolutely amazing. They're a guilt-free treat that feels more like a dessert than a health snack. They're worth a try if you're looking for a sweet treat that's guilt-free and boosts your protein intake. I may or may not have already bought 3 boxes of these. I would totally recommend if you are looking for something that's sweet but also has protein. Let me know if you have tried these Built Puff Bars and which one is your favorites in the comments below. If you are interested in trying these bars out, I will put a link in the description, or you can go to kongsumer.com/puff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.